Okay, so I have to share this with you because I know you'll understand. So I'm shopping for like royalty-free photos for my website, right? Rebranding and stuff. And I came across, remember this bra and panty set? And I literally thought it was the ugliest thing. It was like it really stretched me to have to sell it, which at the end of the day I'm grateful for because it really like now that I sold this bra and panty, I feel like I can sell any bra and panty. But I saw this one and then I saw, where is it? It's crazy. I saw it. Do you remember this one? And it looks so like unbelievably amazing on her. So I never understood this bra and panty set, but it was in the bin. But it's like crazy how when you wear a piece of lingerie, you're like, wow, like that's what that looks like. That's what it does. Like, wow, you can pull it off that way. I mean, there's so many like life ties into like us as women, and when we put something on, and it's like, wow, it's literally our bodies that bring everything to this dreamlike shape. So, yeah. Hi.